I seriously cannot believe it's already this time of year again, but today we're previewing Louis Vuitton's 2024 holiday collection featuring the adorable house mascot Vivienne. This year's collection is going to look a little bit different than what we're used to seeing from the holiday collection. So I'm going to go over all of that with you today, what's going to be different, what pieces we can expect, and of course, when all of these pieces will be launching. So let's get right into it. Hey there, this is Lula West Deluxe. Welcome back to another video. Or if you're new here, a very warm welcome to you. In a lot of my videos, I preview new releases at Louis Vuitton, and that's exactly what we're doing today. If you enjoy this sort of content, I hope you will subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future releases. Now, I'm not going to do a lot of intro. We're just going to get right into today's topic, the annual holiday collection. This collection is launching on November 1st, and that's the global launch date. Friday, November 1st. There will be a digital pre-launch a week early on October 25th. So basically all the items, the whole collection will be on the Louis Vuitton website starting October 25th, and you can pre-order online starting on that date. Items should ship out on or around November 1st. There are a few items launching an entire month early. The Vivienne gifting statuettes, there's a few included in this year's collection. Those are launching early on September 27th. I don't know why they're launching so early, but that's the date for those products. We're not going to be looking at any of the Vivienne statuettes in today's video. I'm going to be focusing on the bags, the small leather goods, and the gifting items like the stationery and the bag charms. First, let's talk about what pieces will be included in this collection. If you see me looking off screen, I'm just referring down to my notes. This year's collection will include 2 small bags and 16 small leather goods. All of these pieces will be in monogram canvas only. There's no damier bean pieces and no damier azur pieces, and that's really different. Usually the Christmas collection includes 2 or even all 3 of the canvas prints. This year they're doing a monogram canvas only. So that is very different. And for the gifting items, for silks, all we have is 1 bandeau. That's it, no silk squares. We have 4 bag charms. And for costume jewelry, all we have is 1 bracelet. So this is a really small collection compared to previous years. There's not a lot of items this year. And again, all the canvas is a monogram canvas only. No other prints in this year's collection, unfortunately. So it's really scaled back from what we've seen in previous years. However, there are 2 illustrations and they're very cute. So let me show you what those are now. The first illustration or the first theme is called Candy Factory. And this features Vivienne playing around among Christmas treats. We have some Christmas cookies, candy canes, hot chocolate, and this is a very fun and playful illustration. The accent color for the Candy Factory theme is red. The other theme we have is called Snow Show, and in this animation, Vivienne is outside. She's playing games in the snow with her friends. We see them having snowball fights, making snow angels, and skiing. And the accent color for this theme is a light teal blue. And even though this collection is smaller than usual, Louis Vuitton has added some really nice touches to this year's collection. There is a unique special limited edition stamping. There's a gold foil stamp of Louis Vuitton Paris, and it does feature a stamp of Vivienne. So that's a little bit different this year. I always love when there's a special stamp for a limited edition piece. Another change this year has to do with the hardware. Louis Vuitton has added special snaps to the closures as well as a Vivienne zipper pull. So I really love that they've carried on with the Vivienne theme in the hardware. And I love that they did a special hardware that's not your typical LV zipper pull or just the small round snap closure. So I do love that they've enhanced the hardware on these pieces. The final change or enhancement for this year's collection are for the two bags that are included. We have a Nano Noe in the Snow Show theme and a Nano Alma in the Candy Factory theme. And both of those bags will come with a leather Vivienne bag charm. So it's nice that they added a little leather accessory to those bags that you wouldn't normally get. Now let's look at all the pieces included in this collection. Let's get started with the bags and small leather goods in the Candy Factory theme. Let's get started with the one bag in this Candy Factory theme. And as I said earlier, that's the Nano Alma. And this is just like the regular monogram Nano Alma, except it has the illustrations on the outside of the bag and it has the leather bag charm. Other than that, it's the same size and shape as the regular monogram Nano Alma. I really love the holiday themed Vivienne. And you can see the Vivienne bag charm is in the red accent color. This is a leather bag charm. Unfortunately, I don't have any photos of the inside or the back of the bag, but this will give you an idea of what this bag looks like. This is tentatively priced at $2,110 US. The euro price is 1,800 euro. Moving on to small leather goods, we have the Kirigami pochette, and you can see each of the three Kirigami features a slightly different illustration, but we have the candy canes, the Christmas cookies, the holiday themed Viviennes. I think it's a really cute theme. This is priced at 1,010 US or 850 euro. Again, those are just tentative prices. We're also getting the mini pochette, and again, this is a super fun piece. I really love it. This features Vivienne swimming in a mug of hot cocoa. I think it's really cute. We do also have that Vivienne shaped zipper pull, and you can see that red leather accent color on the tab at the end of the zipper as well. This piece is tentatively priced at 875 US or 670 euro. This theme will also include the Rosalie coin purse. As you can see here, I really love that you can see that little pop of red on the side as well. The Rosalie coin purse is tentatively priced at 590 US or 470 euro. This photo was shared actually by a fellow YouTuber, Murphy, over on her Instagram page. She's also here on YouTube. She has a channel where she reviews new releases at Louis Vuitton. I love her channel, so I will link to it down below. So thank you to Murphy for sharing some of these photos. This illustration will also include the LV Charms card holder. You can see the really cute Vivienne on the front. This is the same style of Vivienne that we saw on the Nano Alma. This is priced at 530 US or 430 euro. We have the Sarah wallet at 950 US. We also have the Zippy coin purse priced at $695. The passport cover at $485, and the clay key pouch at 465 US. That is everything coming in the Candy Factory illustration. Let's switch gears and look at the Snow Show illustration now, starting with the one bag that's available, the Nano Noe. Here's a photo that was shared by Murphy over on Instagram. This is your standard Nano Noe. We see Vivienne in the right corner rolling a snowball. We see some snowflakes painted on as well. And we have that leather bag charm in teal as well. Louis Vuitton is calling this accent color Azure Frost. Other small leather goods coming will include the Lisa wallet. This is priced at 640 US dollars or 570 euro. Here we can see some more views of the piece, that teal color inside, and again we have that special Vivienne charm. We're also getting the LV Charms card holder. This is the same price as what we saw before, 530 US dollars or 430 euro. This illustration again will also include the Rosalie coin purse. The Rosalie coin purse again is priced at 590 US dollars or 470 euro. Those are the tentative prices. We're also getting, again, the key pouch. This features, again, that same illustration that we saw on the Nano Noe. We see Vivienne in a little pink snowsuit rolling a snowball. I did notice this key pouch doesn't have that special Vivienne zipper pull. I'm not sure why this one is different, but I just wanted to make a note of that. The final piece that I have photos to show you is the Vivienne card holder. And this is the card holder with the big Vivienne in leather on the front. This is priced at 330 US dollars or 320 euro. If you want this piece in particular, I would actually recommend pre-ordering it if you can. I do think this is going to be a big seller this year. Those are all the pieces I have photos for, but I have 3 other items that are coming in this collection. They include the passport cover. That's priced at $485. The zippy wallet, which is the full-size long zippy wallet, that should be priced at $1,080. And we're also getting a Vivienne phone pouch. This should be priced at $1,980. Let's move on now to some stationery. We're getting 5 stationery items, including a few more SLGs, and these are all in the Candy Factory theme. We're getting both the notebook and the notebook cover in the MM size, as well as a pencil pouch. And I'm including a photo here of these 3 items. It's not a great photo, but it will give you a little bit of an idea of what these pieces all look like. I've also included all the tentative pricing and the item IDs as well. 2 other items we're getting include a Post-it pouch. I can't really tell exactly what this is from the photos I've seen, but it looks to me almost like it's a small Kirigami pouch in a square shape that's about the size of a Post-it note. We're also getting a Vivienne candy box. It's a round box. I'm not sure how big it is exactly, but those are the other 2 pieces coming. The tentative prices for the Post-it pouch are 300 euro, and for the Vivienne candy box, it is 550 euro. The next category of accessories that we're getting a lot of are bag charms. There's a huge trend right now to pile up a ton of bag charms on your bag. So Louis Vuitton is really leaning into that trend with this collection. The 4 bag charms are, of course, Vivienne themed. We're getting a Vivienne candy cane. This is a metal bag charm on a clip. And this features 2 candy canes shaped like a heart, and there's a small metal Vivienne inside. That's priced at 690 euro. Unfortunately, I don't have any USD prices for the bag charms. There's also going to be a Vivienne elf bag charm, basically Vivienne dressed up like a little elf. I'm not sure what material that bag charm is made out of. That will also be priced at 690 euro. We're also getting a Vivienne snow bag charm. This looks to me like it might be one of those furry or fuzzy Vivienne bag charms. This one looks to be similar. It's a Vivienne with snow boots on, and she's holding a little snowball. That one, again, is also priced at 690 euro. Finally, we're getting this bag charm here. Finally, one that I have a photo of. And this is the Vivienne chocolate bag charm. This is super cute. I love it. I think this bag charm is going to be popular. So if you're looking to get one of these, I would definitely pre-order the chocolate one if that's what you have your eye on. I think it's going to be another hot seller. And that's also the least expensive of the bag charms. That one's only €400. Moving on to the last two items for today's video, we have one silk. I can't believe it. No silk squares. We're only getting a bandeau and just in the Candy Factory theme. Here's a photo of it. We can see the candy theme on the front. The back side of the bandeau is just the brown LV monogram print. It does say Louis Vuitton on the edge, and there is that candy cane stripe as well. That should be priced at €200. And same for the fashion jewelry, just one bracelet. That's it. It's the same style as this Vivienne bracelet. It has the monogram strap with the gold hardware, except the slider bar in the middle will feature a Vivienne charm with those two candy canes shaped like a heart. And that one should be priced at €400. Those are all the pieces coming in this collection. Next week, I will be covering the ski collection, including the shearling bags and the mirror silver bags. So stay tuned for that next week. In the meantime, I'll leave another video up here for you to watch next. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye now.